Hi, welcome back. It's Lionel Tech Lead and partner Westvault. And today I'm going to use AI to actually fix a form and show you guys in Yii2 with Bootstrap 5. Um, I only did it very briefly before I started. So this time around, right, I wanted you guys to see what happens over here. So on the left hand side here, I have a little form there. Let's zoom in there in the corner on the right hand side. Um, so I'm gonna. This form is kind of really ugly. So let's see what Bootstrap and Opera Aria A.I can actually do for me, right? So I get these things all the time. Like, oh, this looks really ugly, and I have no creativity, right? So I'm just gonna copy this, and I will just give it some directions here. So, um, can you make this? Let's zoom in on this. Oops, wrong side. All right, you guys will just have to go with the feel of it, or let's say this. Okay, make this more attractive. Maybe give it some padding. Change the button and make the text and card more appealing. Use Bootstrap 5 and avoid creating separate classes. Okay, so that's usually like what I would do for to get a junior developer to say, hey, what can you do? Can you just make this a little bit nicer on the site? So it's running that, and it's given some MBs and some padding over there. Okay. Okay, let's try that. Give it some directions, because the first time around I said don't do it without any new classes, and it didn't quite work. So I've done that, and okay, that's pretty cool. Let's try what this looks like. I'm just gonna delete this and put this in. Whoops! No, 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 no. What do you? I want you to keep the Yii2 coding. Okay. So just now it wiped out all my Yii2 code, and I want to use it as Yii2, right? Nice. So it's kept that. We're going back again. So I looked at it. Huh? Okay. Let's see what it looks like. So that's what it previously looks like. Wow, that's pretty good, huh? That's pretty good. I love the text. Okay, yeah, hey, very good. I mean, I love this. Maybe I like to shrink this a little bit, give it a gradient. Okay, let's put it back in there. Okay, that's really good. Really, really good. Okay, um, maybe make the title text smaller. Give the button a mouse over effect. Maybe add a gradient to the background. Um, well, say maybe 15% smaller. Give the button mouse over effect. Add a gradient to the background. So let's see what that looks like. Hey, that's what I was thinking, and very stand out, But I think the button's a little bit, the text is a little bit large, so it's running some of this stuff. It's putting that, it's keeping some of these things in there. I think that's not bad. Just now it gave a description of the stuff, but now it doesn't do that anymore. Like it was writing, giving me some instructions, like oh, doing this, this, that, this. So here's a bunch of text and stuff. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's pretty good, man. That's pretty good. You guys are looking at this. So nice. That is perfect. Like that's exactly what I'm looking for. Like it just looks so good. I'm probably gonna change it to orange, my personal self, and maybe make the button slightly smaller so it doesn't stand out. But you can see Aria just so useful for giving these instructions and actually creating the code there, right? And I hope you guys check it out. Very easy. Yii2 Bootstrap 5, bang. There you go. What a nice button over there. Yeah, and that's the bottom line because TechLead said so.